Okay, I know when you wake up one morning and you have no idea what to prepare for your family or what to make, you run out of idea. This video here is good and it's gonna solve that problem for you right now. When you run out of idea to cook, you should come to this channel and check. You will find what you're gonna make. So here we're gonna make spaghetti step by step in a different style because we're gonna be using coconut milk as the main ingredient for this dish. I have many spaghetti recipe in this channel, but this one is gonna be different because of coconut milk. I never used coconut milk in this channel, but I'm using it today, and you're gonna see more video on that. So what I did, I grabbed my soup here, pour the water on it, and let the water uh, boil a little bit. They didn't boil, but they were hot enough to hold the pasta. So I pour the pasta inside, and then in the meantime, to the other side, I did have the pot. I put on the stove and then pour oil this onion. These are 3 large onions, and you're gonna fry them until they become golden brown. When they are, you're gonna add one chopped tomatoes and put it inside. In the meantime, keep checking your pasta for it not to get burned or not to get stick on the spray on the pot. So when you see onions like this, you're gonna grab your tomatoes and pour them inside and fry it a little bit for the tomatoes to grab the flavor. Don't mind the steam. Yeah, it's gonna be like that, but it's fine. Then when you're done frying that one, make sure to add your ground beef, special. Add it nicely and mix it really, really well. That's what we're gonna do. And this is the beef I'm using today. I'm using the ground beef. That's what I'm using. This meat is really good because I like it. It's fresh. Especially you want to make it for nicely and friendly with kid. It's good. This dish is really, really perfect. So when you pour it inside like that, this meat here is really nice. Be sure to don't go for like the meat that who like chunk it's stick together like big chunk. No, go for the one who like will separate itself when they come in contact with the steam, and it's become more separated. And there your spices. Make sure you pour your spices inside, but be minded. It's your choice of spices. You don't have to be recommended any spices in any way as long as you know spices. Maybe you have them, but if you don't have the spices, you can use the spices I use here. It's lemon with the pepper. It's lemon with black pepper mixed together, and then powder, and then the powder I'm saying is a garlic powder, and then the other ingredient like paprika, like other stuff like chicken powder, bay leaf, cinnamon, and then salt. That's what I use here. Yeah, you can use those stuff, but if you do have them, you can go with it. But if you have like your ingredient you love the more, you can use because ingredient this dish doesn't make any difference. But the part you will not keep is a coconut milk part because you cannot change the coconut milk. But if you don't eat coconut milk, you can go with the other milk as long as they are almond milk and the other stuff milk. So as long as it's friendly and good. So far this how it look, and you can see it's separated. So what I did, I pour the water on the jar where the salt was contained inside. So I took it, put it in there, and then mix them together. And then now I will let it cook a little bit, not too long. I'll go like 2 minutes for cooking, and then when I come back, I'm gonna open it and pour the coconut milk inside. And then in the meantime, I keep checking the pasta for it not to stick on the spot because it does stick. It's not gonna give the perfect aroma you're looking for because so far aroma is so amazing. So that is the coconut milk I'm gonna be using, and you can see there. I'm gonna pour it inside, and that's the coconut milk I'm using. But if you are watching this channel for the first time, thank you for watching. You are my subscriber. Thank you so much. And you are new to this channel, you are welcome. And thank you for joining. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch till the end. Thank you. When you're done pouring like that, mix it really nicely. I don't mind the look because we all know milk and oil and spices in there can be difficult to watch, but it's like this now. When you open it like now, it's so good and amazing, and the aroma and the taste, my, it's filled the hair and it's filled the house. The aroma was so amazing, and like this, you're gonna be draining your pasta on the other side. When you're done draining it, you're gonna pour it inside and mix it really well and really nicely, and let it cook for 2 minutes. Keep mixing it and let it cook. Mix for 1 minute and let it cook for 2 minutes. Well, you mix, 1 minute should be over, and then when you leave it, 1 minute should let it simmer for the flavor to attach with the pasta. Because when the pasta aroma goes together with that one and the soup, because like for some people they make it without soup, but for me I made it like that because I want the pasta to absorb some of the sauce on the meat half, so it can be more flavorful and more juicy and more amazing. Because when you eat it later, no matter it's cold or not, when it's like become cold, it's become better like dry. But now when it's still warm and hot enough like this, it's a little bit more soft. And that one is come to show. Now time to taste. And that's what we're gonna do. I put my plate on the other side and the fork. So what I will do is serve myself and then taste and give you the house and give you the and let you guys know is the food, how is it? Because I say I didn't taste. We're gonna taste it together. And I'm confident on my ability to measure the spices without tasting it. I know how it tastes and I know it's gonna be good. And now let's find out how it tastes. So far it's good, but if you like to eat, so you don't like pasta like spaghetti, you're gonna love it in this way, and you will cook it every single week. Believe me when I tell you. Like when I cook it, my daughter doesn't like to eat this kind of food, but she's tried today, and that is a good achievement. So when you are a parent, this is good, especially when it's weekend and the kid are home. This is amazing for you to relax because it doesn't consume a lot of time. You just make it and then it's done. It can last until the evening, and that's it, guys.